late night strategy sessions at any FRC event. It can be made right in the comfort of your own hotel room at any hour of the night. With just a few simple, easy, and cheap items, this power snack can be made. We used birthday cake Oreos, but this is not recommended. We did not have a car or any way to get a normal pack of mega stuffed Oreos, which are recommended. Each flavor has different time requirements. For the purpose of this video, we will be showing you the times for regular mega stuffed Oreos. If you use mega stuffed Oreos, you can get about 2 to 3 mugs out of one pack. First, open the pack of Oreos. Yes, we know that half of them are gone. There's 8 girls in one room and we all got hungry. Next, you want to open and scrape into a mug about 15 to 20 Oreos. For this, you can either use a knife, a spoon, or your finger if you don't have that. Then, you want to place the mug into the microwave for about a minute to a minute and 30 seconds, taking it out every 30 seconds to stir. Each flavor has different time requirements. For the purpose of this video, we will be showing you the times for regular mega stuffed Oreos. If you use mega stuffed Oreos, you can get about 2 to 3 mugs out of one pack.
At this point, the camera stopped recording, but to recap what we did, we placed 3 whole cookies at the bottom of our mug. We then covered that with the cream that we put in the microwave. After that, we broke a couple pieces in half and put those on top, so on and so forth. Pour some of the cream. We could not pour the birthday cream because it would not melt completely. Repeat. Add a crumble at the top, drizzle the cream over to make it look fancy. Place the glass in the ice bucket and then in the fridge. Wait about 10 to 20 minutes until the cream is solid. Take out, eat, and enjoy.